I'm from Australia. My Kurdish name is Gabbar Ahmed. I came to Kurdistan 5 months ago. The reason I came to Kurdistan is because of the people, their struggles, their fight. I've come to help them any way I can. Minefields, booby traps, demolitions.
نظمي جبار أصحاب أستراليا جبوا يبقى أريكاري يبقى أريكاري رجال كردستان يبوا أزاد أزبيجم مرحبا هباوز من وساقطن